Hello everyone, I am Amardeep Kaur and welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about the sounds of O. Yes, the sounds of O जो कि two letters को मिलकर बनते हैं. So, when O combined with A, it will give the sound of O. Like goat, boat, soap, road. Same when O combined with letter W, it will give two sounds. First is soft sound like flow, snow, row. And the second is long sound like cow, how, now. ऐसे ही when vowel O and vowel E के बीच में जब कोई कॉन्सोनेंट आता है किसी वर्ड में देन ऑल्सो उसका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगा वो ओ ही होगा. लाइक होम, nose, row. So, if you want to learn the more sounds of O, watch my next video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep learning.